Hi guys, so today we're making another special breakfast, and we're making this special sandwich today. So what you need to do first is to boil your eggs. Boil as many eggs as you want to use. Can be 3, 4, 2, any amount. Just boil your eggs. After boiling the eggs, peel the shell off. After peeling it off, then you dice your egg into small pieces. Then after that, you get your pepper. You slice your pepper also. Make sure to dice the pepper well. And then you get your tomato. Do the same thing to the tomato. You dice the tomato, and also don't forget to add your onions. You also dice your onions too, and you can dice any vegetable you want to add to it. Maybe carrot, cabbage, anything at all you actually want to add to it, you can actually add to it. But for this video and for this one I'm going to be eating, I'm just using pepper, tomato and onions. I don't want to use too much on it. So after that, you are actually going to mix your what's it called, your egg, with all these diced ingredients. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thanks for opening our video. Actually, we love and appreciate you. So this is me mixing the pepper, tomato and onions together with the egg in one plate. After that, I'm going to add mayonnaise to it. So you just add your mayonnaise to the mixed ingredients, and then you mix it well. Also, you mix everything together with the mayonnaise. After mixing that, the next thing to do is to get your toaster, your toasting machine. So this time around we're not using pan. This time around we're using a toaster. But if you don't have a toaster at home and you want to eat it like that, trust me, it is still delicious. Like, it is still sweet eating it like that. It's not a must to use toaster. And also, if you want to use a pan, no problem, you can still use a pan. But for this video, we'll be using a toasting machine. So first you have to butter your bread. So you apply butter to your bread, and then you just put the first part on the pan, on the toaster, and then you spread your mixed mixed ingredients. Spread your mixed egg, tomato, onions and all of that. Spread it round on the bread, spread it well, spread everything well, and then you cover with the other part. And after that, you just close the machine and allow it cook till it's ready. So once it is ready, you can take it out and do the other bashes till you're done with it. And trust me guys, this is actually delicious. Like, this is my first time trying it, and I didn't even know it was going to come out well. Like, I didn't know it was going to come out this sweet. I just wanted to try something since I had boiled egg. So I decided to get that tomato, onions, pepper and all of that, just to try something, and this came to my head, so I decided to do it. So, and trust me, this is actually great. Like, you need to try it. Seriously, you need to. Trust me, it is nice, it is sweet. Let us know which of our breakfast recipes you've actually tried, or which one are you planning to try. And also let us know if you're going to try this one also. And when you do, please come back to tell us if it was nice, or if you regret trying it, or you actually miss the fact that you're just knowing you're just getting to know about this. Because me too, I feel bad, I'm just getting to know about this So let us know in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to share, so your friends and neighbors and siblings and everybody can see the video and also try their own also. So thanks for actually stopping by. Thanks for opening our videos. We appreciate the returning viewers, and we also appreciate the new viewers. We love and appreciate all of you. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Like, we have amazing content. We hope to see you on all of our videos. So this is the end result. I wish I could open inside to actually show you guys what it actually looks like. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.